Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well today. In this video I'll be showing you how to build an image generator. First we'll create our boilerplate code, and then we'll create a button, and I'll call it, well, I'm not going to give an ID since it's just one element, generate image, but I will give it a function name of generate image and image generator as its label. And then next we'll style the button. I'll give it a font size 3 rem, border 2 pixels solid black, box shadow 005 pixel black, and display flex, we don't need that, width 300 pixels, margin auto, position relative, top 300 pixels. Now the button, okay, so display flex, maybe now it's in the center of our screen. Perfect. We'll add some functionality to the button, make it react and interact with the user. So we'll create a function and we'll call it generate image. Inside of that function we'll create a variable called img equals document.createElement, and it's basically what it sounds like. We're creating an element called img, the image tag, and then we're giving it a source of this, which is just a Google GIF, and then image.style.width equals 130 pixel, or else it'll be too big. Then we'll do img.setAttribute. I must have misspelled something because Emmet isn't, okay, ID image. Maybe I forgot a semicolon. Yep, that's the problem. You can't forget that. That's the one thing that most programmers forget. Document.body.append child image, and for each image I'll give it an event listener. Okay, img.add event listener function document.get. Oh, that's where most of the errors are coming from. I misspelled create. There we go, it should work now. Document.get element, not elements. Then image, which is why we give this img tag an ID of image, so we can select it, then do .remove. It will be removed when you click on it, so now it should work. Let's test it out. Yep. Okay, I just created like 20 of them, and if I click on each one of them, it'll go away. But if I just want to remove all of it at once, just refresh. That's basically all there is to this project. I hope you had fun building it, and if you have any suggestions for what I should make for future videos, just let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, just like the